Hello everyone, this is Waheed from TryTecho. In this video, we will learn how we can add someone as a new user on our WordPress website. So we go to the users and click on it. You can see we are the only user on our website. So if you want to give access of your website to someone, you can add them as a new user by clicking on this add new button. Here you need to enter the details of the person, enter the username, and enter their email. And then enter their name. After entering these details, you need to enter the password. You can set any password. I'm setting hello world. After that, you need to set a role for that user. Simply click on it. You can see here are multiple user roles for this website. So let's say we create them as an administrator. And after selecting the role, you need to copy the username and password in a notepad. So our username and password is copied. After that, you can click on this add new user button. And here you can see our new user is added and he is an administrator. So now we will see how he will log in to our website and what are the restrictions to their accounts in the access of our website. So administrator have full access to your website. He can change the theme, he can delete any page, he can create a new page, he can add a new plugin, he can do everything on your website. So let's say this is the browser window of your user and he wants to log in to your website. He will enter the domain name of your website and /login. Here he need to enter the username and password. So username is Ali and password is hello world. After that, click on this login button. You can see we are logged in as a new user. So you can see here this user has all the access to our website. He can do everything on our website, like he can change the theme, he can add a new plugin or delete a plugin, he can add new post, he can add a page and delete any page, any post. He can do everything. So now let's see what other user roles do. To do this, simply go to the edit of this user and scroll down. Here is the role. If you set this as an editor, he can no longer change a theme or add a new plugin. He will be restricted to the post and pages. He can add new post, he can add new page, and he can delete a page and he can delete a post, but he cannot change the theme and he cannot add a new plugin or delete a plugin. We update the user. Now let's see. Refresh the page. You can see he can only access to post and pages. He cannot change the theme or add a new plugin, but he can delete any page and edit any page. He can make a new post and delete any post as an editor. So if we set it as an author, and update the user, and then refresh the page, then he cannot delete or edit any post which is not created by him. He can only add a new post and delete a post which is created by him. You can see I added a new post as this user and publish it. So this user can publish the post and delete the post which is created by him, but he cannot delete any other post which is not created by him. He cannot access to the pages as well. So if we set it as an contributor and update the user and then refresh the page, now you can see we cannot edit anything. We can add new post but cannot publish it. If we add a post, we have to submit it for review to the admin. You can see here is the button for submit for review. So this is the post and we click on the submit for review. So this post is submitted for the review, and when our administrator will see, he can publish it or delete it. So we go to the post on this administrator account. You can see this is the post which is pending, and we can edit it, and here we can publish this post. And there is only one user role left, which is subscriber. Subscriber can only view the post, he cannot do anything on our website. So we have learned these user roles. The first one was administrator, which can do everything on our website, and the second one was editor, which can edit the post and pages and add a new post and new pages to our website. And then there was author. Author can publish their post and delete their post, but cannot delete any post which is not created by him. And then there was a role named contributor. Contributor can write a post but cannot publish it. And then there was a subscriber. Subscriber can only view the post and he cannot do anything. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next video. And if you have any question, you can let me know in the comment section.